Welcome to Jokes of the Day Part 3.
It's joke time!
Rap, what is the chemical formula for water?
HIJKLMNO.
What are you talking about?
Ma'am, ang sabi ninyo kahapon, ang chemical formula ng water ay H2O.
It's joke time!
May tatlong doktor, pinag-uusapan nila kung anong pasyente ang pinakamadaling operahan. Sabi ng isa, electricians. Everything inside them is color-coded. Sabi ng pangalawang doktor, librarians. Everything inside them is in alphabetical order. Sabi ng pangatlo, politiko ang pinakamadali. They have no brains. They have no guts. They have no hearts. And they have no balls.
It's joke time!
Kung may boyfriend ka o girlfriend na gusto mong i-break after graduation, eto sabihin mo, password ka ba? Kasi hindi kita kayang kalimutan pero kaya kitang palitan. O eto kaya, summer ka ba? No? Kasi wala kang class. Try mo rin ito, bachelor's degree ka ba? Kasi tapos na ako sa'yo.